If you are looking for best espresso machines, this video is for you. Let's get started with the list. Product number 1, most popular MR. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso and Cappuccino Maker.
Toffee Latte, Cafe Mocha, Espresso Martini, Caramel Cappuccino. The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker lets you create delicious coffeehouse drinks in one simple touch. Be your own barista, brewing rich espressos, aromatic cappuccinos, and decadent lattes in minutes. The 15 bars of pressure and automatic milk frother ensure fabulous results. To begin, fill the water reservoir and slide it into the unit. Pour the milk of your choice in the milk reservoir. Next, place the single or double shot filter inside the portafilter, depending on the type and size of your beverage. Add the espresso grounds, tamping them down firmly, and attach the portafilter to the unit. Place your cup under the brew head and aim the frothed milk dispensing tube towards the center of your cup. If making espresso, use the height adjustment tray for smaller demi-tasse cups. Adjust the froth amount to match your choice of beverage or foam preference. And using the one-touch preset buttons, select your desired beverage and size by pushing the corresponding button. Voila! The Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker does the rest. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Espresso Maker, bringing the coffeehouse experience home.
Product number 2, Breville BES870XL Barista Express Espresso Machine.
The Barista Express from Breville takes just seconds from grinding to extraction. For the freshest espresso and luscious crema, let's see it in action. The built-in adjustable conical burr grinder with dose control ensures that you go from novice to expert in no time. The Barista Express, brought to you by the food thinkers of Breville.
Product number 3, Delonghi EC680M DEDICA 15 bar pump espresso machine. Product number 4, Gaggia Classic Semi-Automatic Espresso Maker.
The Gaggia Classic is easily the best way to start an espresso journey. I mean, it's all about having control. the ability to finesse the shot and really bring out the nuances of a coffee. You know, it's something to make a shot when everything is just right. You know, and that crema just oozes into the cup. You take that sip and it's something that you've never tasted before. A lot going for it. Stainless steel housing, the 3-way solenoid valve, so you know when you knock out that puck it's dry. Commercial size and weight portafilter. A boiler that heats quickly with the highest watts to volume ratio in the industry. And then, you know, instead of putting the heating elements inside the boiler like most do, they wrap them around the outside for more even heat distribution, and that's really what it's all about. You know, frothing with a Panarello wand, I mean, that's really easy. You know, then if you want to go a little further, you know, you can always get the latte art wand on there and really finesse that milk for, you know, latte art, if you're into that. If you're getting serious into espresso, but, you know, you don't want to spend a lot of money. I mean, this thing has all the professional features to allow you to pull shots that are just as good as those coming off machines costing a ton more. The Gaggia Classic, it's a wonderful tool to start your journey.
Product number 5, Hamilton Beach 40792 Espresso and Cappuccino Maker. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.